Hello and a very warm welcome to Great Principles. I am Seema Choria. Many a time it happens that we are forced into choosing a career either by chance, circumstances, or family. These career options are weighed on by the financial aspirations or what can one earn out of a certain career. Some dedicated souls go the other way. There is a very famous quote by Tony Dorsett: to succeed, you need to find something to hold on, something to motivate you, something to inspire you. Our guest today chose the humble, noble profession to be a teacher. He has borne the cross of adversity, yet marched ahead with his head held high. He was inspired to do something good, and his love for teaching motivated him to choose this as his career. He surely has succeeded what he had set out to do. His achievements elevate him as an educator of repute in and across the country. A celebrity in his right, I am happy to have him and join us today for an enriching talk about his life and future endeavors. We are extremely honored and privileged to welcome Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu, Director cum Principal, Leeds International School, Patna.